Okay guys, so I bought and tested the Restolin hair loss supplement on a volunteer to see if it really works. You can see my payment receipt up on the screen right now to prove to you that I actually bought and tested the product I'm reviewing in this video. And in this review video, I'll first of all warn you about something that made me lose my money while trying to buy Restolin hair loss supplement. And after telling you what that thing is, I mean the thing that made me lose my money is, I'll go ahead and I'll tell you guys exactly what you have to do to make sure you too don't lose your money to the same guys I lost my money to. After that, I'll walk you through the things that you should expect while using the Restolin hair loss supplement. And thereafter, I'll go ahead and talk about the good sides of the supplement, I mean the Restolin hair loss supplement, the bad sides, and finally, I'll show you before and after pictures of the guy I tested the Restolin hair loss supplement on. So you can see where his hair was when we started and where his hair is right now. I'm sure from the results that he got, you can then decide on whether or not the Restolin hair loss supplement is something you want to buy and use for yourself or not. So I'll get the review started by talking about what this thing is that can make you lose your money and how you can make sure you don't fall for the same guys that I fell for. So yeah, this thing works in such a way that there are people that know that the Restolin hair loss supplement is one that is getting very popular all around the internet. And what these guys have done is that they go out there and create duplicate websites that look like the official website of the Restolin hair loss supplement and trick you into buying it from them, so that when you enter your payment details while making payments, they'll get access to your payment details and use it to withdraw as much money as they can from you. So that was what these guys did to me, and that was how they stole the money that was in my PayPal account at that time. When I realized what happened, I then decided to go to the Restolin hair loss supplement official website, buy it, test it, and then make this video to warn other people like you who might be wanting to buy it. So if after watching this my review video and seeing the results that the volunteer I tested it on got, and you finally decide to buy and use the Restolin hair loss supplement, you can simply click on the link and I'll be putting in the description of this video and buy it through there, so that you'll be sure, as in you're making sure that you're buying it from the real and official Restolin hair loss supplement website. And yeah, I'm sure the link I put in the description is the real one, because that is where I later bought the real bottles of the Restolin hair loss supplement from, after those guys that I just warned you about stole my money from me. So yeah, now that I've told you what the thing that made me lose my money is and what you should do to make sure you're safe, I'll now go ahead and talk about what you should expect while using the Restolin hair loss supplement. But before we get to that, my name is Chisom from the Modified Critics YouTube channel, where we buy and test products and publish real customer reviews. So if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications bell icon to get notified when we drop new product reviews here. And also to make sure this video gets seen by other people that are searching for honest reviews of the Restolin hair loss supplement, and to make sure we save other people from falling into the hands of the same guys that stole my money, just drop a like on this video and then drop a comment saying the hashtag no more stealing. Share this video to your Facebook and other social networks, and that way we'll get this video seen and we'll save others from losing their money too. So with that said, about what you should expect while using the Restolin hair loss supplement, from what I observed while testing the Restolin hair loss supplement on the volunteer, the whole thing starts out all slow. What I mean by this is that it doesn't just work like magic to help you get your hair back and fix your issues in just a single night after you start using it. It actually takes time. It starts out slow and keeps working on the root problem of hair loss from the inside till it gets the job done. And yes, like I said, I'll be sharing the before and after pictures of the guy I tested the Restolin hair loss supplement on for like 6 weeks straight, so that you can from that decide on whether the supplement is something you'd want to buy and use or not. So with that said, I'll now go ahead and walk you through the things that you might like about the Restolin hair loss supplement and the things that you might not like. And after that, I'll then share the before and after pictures of the guy. Now, I'll start with the good sides of the Restolin hair supplements. So, the first thing that I must mention as something I liked and think you might like about the Restolin hair loss supplement is the fact that it is one of the very few hair loss supplements that I've tested that doesn't require you to spend hours and hours on doing physical exercises and all. With this one, you just need to take the supplement consistently, and that's it. So the second thing I would love to mention as something else that I liked about the supplement is the fact that the volunteer didn't have to go about changing the things he eats in order for him to start seeing results. And I'll count this as a pro because most of the other ways of manifesting things will most times require you to stop doing certain things. But the Restolin hair loss supplement doesn't cost the guy, as in it didn't cost the guy we tested it on anything. Like, he ate his normal food. So the third and final thing that I like about the Restolin hair loss supplement is the fact that they have 100% money back guarantee that will enable you get back your money if for any reason you try the supplement and you don't like the results you get. With all that said, we'll now look at the cons, which are the things that you might not like about the supplement. So yeah, the first thing that I didn't really like about the Restolin hair loss supplement is the fact that the marketing is a bit aggressive, because they make it sound like you're going to start growing your lost hair back from day one. But the fact is that from what I've seen while testing the supplement out on the volunteer, it takes time. But I don't think that'll be an issue for you watching this review, because I've told you what to expect so that you don't go out there expecting faster hair growth than the supplement can help you get. With that said, the second thing that I didn't really like about the Restolin hair loss supplement, which I don't think is much of an issue, is the fact that when I later paid on the official website after the other guys took my money, it took me a little bit of time to receive the supplement. And yeah, I don't think that'll be much of an issue for if you're in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and other advanced countries, because they deliver faster to you if you're in those countries. So yeah, don't freak out. And now the third and final thing that I didn't really like is the price. For a hair loss supplement, the price of $69 is not very bad, but it would be nice if it was cheaper. And yeah, if you would want to get it cheaper, you should click on the link below this video, because they usually hold a discount where you can buy more bottles and get the Restolin hair loss supplement bottles for just $49 instead of $59 to $69. And as you can see on my receipt, that's what I paid. Like I said, if you would like to get the discount, you can click on the direct affiliate link I put below this video so that you'll be able to get it at the cheaper price of $49 on their official website. And now that I've walked you through the pros and the cons, which are the good and the bad sides to the Restolin hair loss supplement, I'll now go ahead and give you my personal opinion based on the results I got from testing it on a volunteer. So after about 6 weeks of using the Restolin hair loss supplement, I'll be very honest with you. At first, I was skeptical because things were slow, but due to the fact that I've tried a lot of hair loss programs, that made me realize that most of them sometimes take time to show results. So I kept on going, and it actually worked, because there's very, very visible improvements in on my volunteer's hair. Because what you can see on the screen right now is a picture of him before we started trying out the supplement about 6 weeks ago. And the one on the other side of the screen is him right now. So yeah, the Restolin hair loss supplement works, and it's well worth the price of $69 per bottle. But you can get it for sure for as cheap as $49 if you buy it from their official website through the affiliate link I put in the description of this video. So yeah, just click on that link if you have made your final decision and check it out. Pay through there to make sure your payment details are 100% safe. So yeah, that'll be the end of my video. Remember to leave us a like here on the Modified Critics YouTube channel, and subscribe if you're someone that buys a lot of products on the internet also. Comment below asking us any questions if you have any. I'll see you in my next video.